Hey, this 59 Ford Retractable has been judged one of the best in the country. It's won the Showcase Award. It has factory air conditioning that blows cold. It functions as good as it looks. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com. You'll find all the pricing, all the specs, top to bottom, on this car and a few hundred others. They're all beautiful classic cars, all for sale. You'll also find on there we have financing. We can ship a car anywhere in the world. And there's plenty of ways to contact us. We have a whole staff of people willing and able to help you get your dream car. So go to volocars.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I've got about 35 cars on deck that we're going to be pushing through here and making videos. That's the best way to see them first. Let's take this for a spin. I just bought this in Nebraska from an estate. The gentleman was a real fan of the Ford Retractables. He did ground-up restorations on a 57, 58, and 59. I felt this was the best one. I bought this car. He did pass away. I tracked down a friend of theirs that was in the Ford Retractable Club. He's actually the president of the chapter in that area. And I just got a phone with him. He talked to me for 15, 20 minutes, telling me what a fantastic car. He explained the Showcase Award. That means it scored over 900 points out of 1,000 at a judged event. And he stressed to me how picky they are. They look at them with a fine-tooth comb. It has to be 100% authentic. If you put radial tires on, if you put chrome valve covers on, you can't win the Showcase Award. So this car is restored back to factory standards. And it is phenomenal. Really, the quality is what sold me on this car. It is incredible. It's only got a couple hundred miles on the restoration since it's been done. He trailered it to shows. But the car feels really good. The clock is working. The top was just serviced. It works beautifully. The seats have been rebuilt. You sit on it and they're firm. He even made a point to say it's the most comfortable retractable seats he sat on. And they really are that nice. Now just look at the car. The fit and finish is better than it was from the factory. The body is laser straight. I really don't know of a flaw anywhere. All the gaps are right on the money. All the panels fit flush. The paint is like glass. There's no cracking. There's no issues that I've seen anywhere, and I've just been all around this car. The trim is phenomenal. The stainless is straightened and polished like chrome. Everything is all redone. The chrome around the windows, all new tinted glass. Look how nice this fits. I purposely put the windows up for the video. All of this is all pristine. There's not a scratch in that glass there. The rubber gasket's redone. Look at the gaps. Look at all this beautiful trim. It has the optional exhaust deflectors, the bumper tips here, reverse lights are optional. It has stainless steel skirts. Those are the correct reproduction tires. It's also got the red, white, and blue centers on the hubcaps. The interior is incredible. It has the chrome foil on the door panels, the tricolor seats with the chrome piping. It's actually a power seat that works. You look at the dash, again, phenomenal. The gauges and lenses and the chrome and the knobs. It's a padded dash, which was optional. Steering wheel, it's fantastic. The clock is ticking. The interior lights are on. It's got the dual mirrors here. It's got an original 332 motor. It's done in the original color. Engine compartment is restored to pristine condition. Everything in here looks brand new. That's all I can tell you. It looks brand new. The guy took a lot of pride in restoring the cars. Convertible top is a sight to see. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. It's best to have it running because it draws some juice running that top like that. Make sure it doesn't hit the ceiling. The condition's phenomenal. I'm around fantastic cars, restored cars. This thing, everywhere you look, in the nooks and crannies. It is pristine. The headliner, the black metal is painted glossy. The whole inside of this compartment is like brand new. It has all the plaid liner. The tub is repainted. All the yellow is painted. All the gaskets and lines, everything looks brand new in here. It would cost well over $100,000 to restore this car. Well over $100,000 at a professional shop. I guarantee that. They did just service the car. They took the grease out of the screws and the gears and put fresh grease in there so everything moves real well. So the top works just like it should. All the upholstery, door panels, it's all redone. Someone's gonna get an incredible car with this. I really mean that. Definitely one of the nicest cars we have in the entire collection right now, and it's been judged as one of the best retractables in the country. So go to volocars.com to get all the pricing and specs, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you keep seeing these wonderful cars. Thank you, and stay tuned.